Hey everyone, it's Christy from Memory Momentum, bringing you another memory keeping project. Have a designated spot that you can keep the artwork, schoolwork, etc. So when you're ready, you know where it is. If you're on the ball, it may look like this, or something like this. Have a large working space and go through the papers quickly. You don't have to keep everything. Just pick some key examples, pieces that show a progression in handwriting or drawing, or something that your child was particularly proud of. It's not quantity, it's quality. You can set a few things aside that would be sweet framed or even displayed somewhere in your house. Even if you don't have all of the accurate information of when and who and why, that's okay. The joy of reminiscing is not lost with these details. Just keep going. When you're ready, scan the pile you would like to save. Or call a local photo organizer, that's us. Or you can scan your pile at one of our time and space project days. If these are not best options for you, simply take a picture of the artwork. Masterpieces now preserved. Consider doing this with old clothes that were loved but no longer fit, or any items you feel that would be fun to look back on. Have the child hold the item up, whatever it is, whatever age, and take a picture. This way, you have the memory of them and the item, but you can let go of the clutter. And then, let the joy of memory keeping begin. And as always, you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and memorymomentum.ca.